Welcome back. You can go to your account settings area. What you're going to see in the settings panel is that you can go back and forth between dark theme and light theme. If you enable the dark theme, you're going to see that the dark theme is going to be enabled. You'll also see here near the top, there's an ideation tab. And what you'll then see are custom ideas given to you based on the AI inside of vidIQ. So what vidIQ will do is it will look at the videos on your channel and it will give you ideas based on those videos. You can go to ideas from your top videos, from trending videos, from what's working for your competitors and what your audience seems to be asking for. We can click on one element from our top videos. The idea is then copied to the clipboard. And if you want to save any ideas, you'll just click the heart. That idea will then be saved here in this area for future use. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.